The 2026 Bronco. Six-wheel drive sounds like a myth whispered in off-road circles. A six-wheeled beast born from obsession, not necessity. But could it be real or just internet smoke and mirrors? Today, we pull back the tarp to see whether Ford is quietly cooking up something outrageous, or if this wild machine is the product of aftermarket imagination run free across social media. Welcome back to another deep dive where we separate engineering from fantasy. The Bronco already revived a legend. Now rumors suggest a version so extreme it challenges reality itself. Imagine the attitude of a desert trophy truck fused with modern comfort. The 6x6 Bronco might not just climb hills. It might climb straight into automotive folklore. The rumor began with leaked renderings showing an extended chassis and double rear axles. Then tuning shops known for mad science builds hinted at prototypes under wraps. Sources inside design circles tease that Ford watched these experiments closely. Whether official or not, the idea of a six-wheel Bronco now has a pulse in the imagination of every adventurer. Visually, it is pure dominance. Longer body stretched fenders and a stance that looks part military, part concept art. The signature round headlights remain, but the rear takes on a sculpted armored tone. Every inch screams intent. Functional vents, heavy-duty tow hooks, and a light bar system ready to carve through darkness form the face of this rumored beast. Inside, expect luxury disguised as utility. A blend of rugged textures and digital sophistication. Seats wrapped in marine-grade materials, screens responsive even with gloves on. Modular panels hint at adaptability for desert raids or mountain expeditions. The cabin is not just durable, it is cinematic, every button designed for people who refuse to stop when the road ends. The heart of this machine would need to match its visual drama. Rumors point to a twin-turbo V6 possibly tuned beyond 400 horses paired with advanced torque distribution across 3 axles. Imagine traction so relentless, it redefines off-road confidence. Such an engineering setup would blur the line between concept showcase and production bravery. Let us talk reality. Any six-wheel configuration means more metal, more components, and more cost. If an official model ever arrives, expect pricing to orbit deep into luxury truck territory, somewhere near the world of boutique builds like the G63 6xx6. It would not be for everyone. It would be for collectors chasing legends and bragging rights, even if Ford never stamps it. Officially, custom shops already see opportunity. They will fabricate frames, extend drivetrains, and sell exclusivity in steel. Whether real or commissioned, the 6x6 Bronco changes perception. It tells us there is still room for wild ideas in a market obsessed with efficiency and range anxiety. It fuels imagination again. So, is the 2026 Bronco six-wheel drive real? Maybe not yet, but the idea is alive, louder than ever. Proof that passion still drives innovation. Whether it rolls out of a Ford plant or a desert workshop, one thing is certain: when it finally roars across the dunes, the world will stop scrolling and start believing again. Until then, the myth grows stronger.